How would you like to change your life to learn how to build a fortune and a lifetime career in just 100 days? 100 days to change your career, your finances, your future. Would you invest 100 days? Throughout my 30 years in real estate, there's never been a fully comprehensive new agent training program in the real estate business. Even at Buffini & Company, with all the resources and training and coaching we have, we didn't have one either. And it's always been a dream of mine. Well, now I can finally tell you that after years of working on this program, we have built the most comprehensive step-by-step program ever built for a brand new agent. Here's what this program includes. We start off by talking about the opportunity of real estate itself and how this can be such a fantastic business. Then we get into the fundamentals of working by referral, building, sorting, and qualifying a database, which is the essence of this whole business. We'll teach you how to reach out and contact your database, how to demonstrate your level of care for them, and ultimately build a sense of community with your entire customer base. New agents are going to learn the step-by-step process of what to do and how to do it. So when we say send a mailing to your database, we provide the mailing. When we say send out an e-report, we provide the e-reports. When we say write personal notes, we provide the note cards. It's a fully built turnkey program. Then it gets really exciting. After helping the 100-day students develop leads, we take them on appointments with me. You know, over my career, I've developed some pretty good skills, and I've done thousands of transactions and trained millions of realtors. Well, for the first time ever, I brought the camera crews with me on my appointments to see how I host an open house, how I follow up using a video message to turn that prospect into a lead. Then the initial buyer call. You'll see me actually interacting with the buyers and really cementing the relationship and setting up the buyer presentation appointment. You'll see my full buyer presentation. That is a step-by-step process we call the purchasing pathway. We actually will give you this resource and show you how to give a professional buyer presentation. Any rookie can watch this video, download the resource, and follow in my footsteps. Next, you'll learn how to show like a pro. You know, most agents, they learn how to show a house from watching Home and Garden TV. Well, this is a showing with a real live real estate vet, from the pre-showing to the showing itself and the post-showing. Then we'll talk about the crown jewel of real estate opportunity, the listing appointment. Students learn not only how to get a listing, but come on an actual listing appointment with me. You'll follow along as I present my complete home marketing plan. You'll actually receive this resource as part of your program, and you'll be able to follow along and give a world-class listing presentation. Then we'll talk about the sticky part of real estate, when the listing doesn't sell, and I'll walk you through what can be a difficult call, the price reduction. In addition to all these rock-solid fundamentals, we also share with you how to leverage your technology and develop a phenomenal online lead conversion strategy we call the Rapid Response System. After that, we'll teach you how to manage your money as a small business owner, how to be a time management wizard, and how you can stand out from the competition by providing world-class customer service. Finally, I lay out the entire real estate career path to show you what's possible for the next 100 days, 3 years, 5 years, 10, and 20 years from now. Take the course, and in 100 days, you're going to be well on your way to a successful career in real estate you can be very, very proud of.